To mark your center line, drop the plumb bob in the front of your vehicle, and mark the center spot on the floor. Repeat the same process on the rear end of the vehicle. Extend the centerline string through both marked points and tape it securely to the floor. Unroll the mat and align the edge with the centerline. Place the RSA measuring unit on the mat. Adjust it to the height of your blind spot sensor. Place it flush against the blind spot sensor. Each line on the mat represents the center line of the vehicle. The RSA base represents the angle of the blind spot sensor. Now, using the protractor, align one arm to the center line of the vehicle and the second arm to the RSA base. This blind spot horizontal angle is 50 degrees in relation to the straight line of the vehicle. To measure the vertical angle, use the digital inclinometer. The vertical angle of this blind spot sensor is 90 degrees.